Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. Just showing you our day-to-day for January 19th, 2022. Working on a few here, all full wraps. Lexus IS 500 full wrap, all in Expel products. Getting underway after a deep paint correction on this IS 500. About half of it's wrapped already. Coming over to this BMW M5 Comp. It's a full wrap and full Expel tint, the XR Plus, with the windshield done in the Dyno Flex. And we'll go around this when we finish it up, you know, to show you how we got all these edges fully wrapped in. Everything comes around. I mean, the wraps are perfect. Unfortunately, not everybody's looking for a perfect wrap. It's pretty strange to say, but it's not that they cost that much more. I guess there's some people that they like to have lines out there. We don't have any lines. Everything we do gets wrapped around the edge. You don't even know this car's wrapped. But like I said, there are people that like lines. Good for you. We're not going to do that, so go somewhere else. Moving along, Audi RS7, fully wrapped. And again, no lines. Everything's wrapped around the edge. Everything looks perfect. Everything is fantastic. Full car, full mirrors, full doors. Door handles were removed. On this particular one, wrapped in all around here, all around the edges. No lines at all. But like I said, there are some people that don't care about that, and we don't do that. So if you need lines on the outside of your car, we don't do it. Go somewhere else. And there it is, backside. All fully wrapped in. All edges are wrapped in. Perfect. Custom. And if you're looking for that custom wrap, give us a call. clearbrownnorthdallas.com. Here we are over here with the guys doing a hood here. Take us like a few minutes. We're wrapping in the edges here. Here's our extra to wrap. And there's what be on tape. Say hi, Tyler.
Hello.
They're so nice on YouTube. That's Tyler, and that's Tyler.
How's it going?
Two Tylers. It keeps it easy. Anyway, this is going to be a full wrap as well. And most of the front end's done. And then coming over to this Rover. This is a white Rover getting stealth. Fully wrapped in. Full handles, all this here. No lines around it. Everything wrapped in perfectly. Everything looks really good. See, the hood's not done, nor the fender, but you can tell the difference with the satin wrap. So, great work, great installs. If you're looking for that, clearbrownnorthdallas.com. Have a great day.